Offshore power boat.
You see that?
Where are we, Bobbers?
We're in the Southampton Boat Show.
Ryan.
Rainy.
Ryan's not feeling great. He's got a little bit of a snot ball. It's the entrance. Ooh.
I mean, wear your glasses. Well, I do wear my sunglasses. I wear my sunglasses.
35 for the small.
Halo around it. Better that than being in the house though, yeah?
Oh, well, it's better than picking up there.
Yeah, I'd rather do it. I know it's not 20 miles away.
Yeah?
Yes.
Arthritis. I'd love to go and speak to him, but
What? Which one?
arthritis with the for the knees. Huh?
Right, okay.
Fenders, they're good.
Why not? Try it.
Yeah. We're doing the bridge avoidance route because of Grumpy Boy in the pushchair.
Steps and the bridge.
We know he's too big to be in a pushchair, but he's feeling all down.
He's not very well. He's got temperature. Yeah, he bumped his head yesterday. Your choo-choo right
And
there.
he's not had nothing to eat yet, so we even give him some
Yes.
paracetamol.
Mommy Joby looking forward to
Cross
us
there
again.
and go gate F, wherever that is.
It's a this guy just so he's 13.
Huh?
13.
They're huge, aren't they? The size of them. Huh. The size of them.
Yes. But 3-seaters, I don't know. First we need to leave them. I think I can't walk this far because he has to.
Yeah, well, his sneakers is lazy. He'll be alright.
He's not very
No,
well.
but he'll be alright. We can't have it on here, Ryan. We'll get it in a bit.
Not allowed on the posture room, my darling.
I'll queue up and have a look on the camera and things.
Pardon?
So I'll queue up and have a look on the camera and things.
If you do, Baba, you can.
No, I'll queue up together, won't we? Otherwise, what's the point?
That's it. That's where the camera. Not really. I really want to go to sailing boat.
Lots of queues.
Wow.
Good.
At the moment, it's looking.
I don't want to go though. It's just when I want to go that they're going 90 degrees. You don't need a poster here, Baba. You're not allowed to come here because what happens if you end up in the water?
Iona in the background. That left went past us this morning, that did, when I was taking Bella out.
What, this one?
Yeah, it lives near us.
What, this one?
I think so.
Wow. See the captain on the top? See, get away? He's not moving now. open this one now. That's 45, 45. That's the same.
Yeah. Make the queue.
Targa 45.
No, it goes across the back.
German guy. So he's not coming. No, they
But those are the, sorry, sir. Those are the more. We're now going to.
You know what I really want to go queue? You know those, you know the yacht? I want to go inside.
Yeah, well, you
Just
can
things
find
like,
one.
things like that. I already seen that. I want the different one.
Hmm. I think these Targas might be worth a look, you know.
Huh?
That type of target might be worth a look.
What, the 37?
Yeah. Let's have a look at that, shall we?
I'll put these
You have it in the teak, real teak, plastic teak.
I'll go 37.
No problem.
Mm.
Thank you for coming to see us. Obviously, if there's anything more you need to know, just shout. Anytime you're ready. Nice to meet you. Yeah. There's no need for an introduction. No need for an introduction when I could read the name. So yeah, very nice to meet you. Yeah. Thanks. Right. You brought sunshine. Yeah. We had the man from we had one of the guys from the Bonnier Yard here on Wednesday with me, and it was quite warm in here Wednesday. It was like early 20s degrees. And it was like summer, and he said, "Well, this is nice." He went in Helsinki. It was like
Yeah.
Big and open, isn't it? It was a wide.
No.
It's got a beam on there, hasn't it?
Yeah.
4 metre beam. Yeah.
Somebody have to seal these to somewhere else.
They are all being sailed away, yes. I think a couple get left, but most of them are going back, yeah.
Where's back?
All over the place, actually. Most of them are fairly local. Most of them are Campbell, we're based in Campbell.
right.
Because then you get the
If you'd have come on, we'd have done by now. If he'd have been on, he'd have done by
instead of
now.
going and hurry, and I don't want that. She's getting used to the
Do you have a boat at the
Other stuff.
Hello, hi.
Hello.
This is Southampton Boat. Is this all the hands on this, or just the?
No, that's
those are separate, aren't they?
That's the bigger one.
Right.
The one for this, you have both of you want.
I've been pushing the lock over one thing.
couple would like to have a minute. Sorry, it's comes with waves.
Free vacation pack. Does it not come with it?
Well, no. But it does come with it at that figure right there, but we registered it.
Huh? You didn't see me. Oh, it's like missable, am I?
Come out that way.
It's like very missable, am I? There's a big blob walking along.
Where's the foodie, Baba?
Well, I think it's down this way.
I'm gonna ask him. Save us walking.
Can't have the metal floor, can we?
No, we need like this.
Should be right.
520 that one.
Huh?
520 that one.
That's long.
It's the same as the other one.
How are we gonna put that side of drain?
No, it's too long at the back, isn't it? Really?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Ryan still. Oh, I don't undo Mummy's laces.
Allah.
Chips. Southampton Boat Show 2022. Bucket of chips, small. You can see that's not a big tray. £4.50. And a Guinness, £6. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Ryan.
I can't. My
Good cheers, we.
Come on, then open your juice. Oh, come on, cheers. Cheers.
Daddy's Guinness is evaporated.
Empty.
It's no good, is it? And these chips.
Oh, Baba!
Oh, Ryan.
You're not going to, James, you're not going to look at the
I did say, I think
Bow thrusters.
Huh?
Dinghies.
You know that bars in the middle? It's about 75 just to buy that one.
That one.
Teddy bear! Teddy bear!
Like a beastie rib. Gordon Ramsay's got one of these, I think.
Oh, well, there we go. Right.
Bit by XO. Smells nice. Okay.
Nice one.
No, I don't.
Alison, what are you doing?
Tomorrow is the last day for the show. We already stopped our trains, and then the red funnel is coming out now. It's going to Alpine. Yes, and then Ryan's here. Yeah, our little monkey. Where are you?
yeah.
We're here. The bird show.
Ladies and gents, visitors, guests and good people of the Southampton International Boat Show 2022. If you join me here at the on the water stage at Borrow a Boat Quarterdeck Bar, along with that dog doing a parrot impression. While the sun may have gone away, we're here to brighten your afternoon with one final performance from our extreme water sport professionals.
The parrot.
They've already performed 3 times today. This is the last chance to see them. So if you've already been here nourishing yourselves, then may I wish you a warm welcome back. And if you're here for the very first time, then you are in luck. If you cast your eyes out to the water, you're going to see our first performers today. It's the guys from Chimera. Out on the waters, Nathan Hyde and Noah Cloak, who are going to do circuits on these electric bodyboards known as the next evolution in personal watercraft. It is an eco-friendly, no-fuel.
Apart from the battery being made and the charging.
And it's a 90-minute battery run.
90 minutes.
Mode of aquatic transport. Chimera using the Southampton Boat Show 2022 very much as their UK launch, but it's already very popular over in the States and in Australia, reaching speeds of up to 20 miles per hour. Coming at just a fraction of the cost of a jet ski, no towing required, no storage costs. Just pick them up and
Oh, lagi kayo, what may nag-loading mo ka ganyan.
Time to go.
Ako pa man nagkita ka ganyan. Ang imong gisend, di na ako makita. Mulod lang siya, dili ko.
So one of the Disney cruise ships maybe? That's a long way down. So, we've done the boat show, we didn't find anything that we wanted, can't afford any of the boats, so did we have a good day?
Yes, no, because I didn't get my food that I'm looking forward to it. The Greek one, Turkish something. Waiting for that for a year, and then it's not there today. So we end up sausage and chips and Guinness.
At an extortionate price.
Well,
But there's no props for a B4 Volvo Penta TP290. There was no headsets so we can communicate without shouting and having a divorce every time we park somewhere. And no food, so that was not as practical
not really a practical
as it could have been, but it's nice to see the boats. We went on a Haynes 418 because Ryan didn't want to go on anything. We went on a Haynes 418 and that was quite nice.
But the good thing is the weather. We pick up the really nice weather, so it's not too hot and it's not too cold.
We do seem to do okay with the weather for this, don't
So
we?
far so good. For the last 3 times we've been attend for the boat show, so yes.
And the weather does look like it's about to go horribly wrong. So there we are.
Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye. Someone's been installed the water. Nice ones. How you doing? Hello, how are you? Not bad. All right, I guess.
How did we get on with the